Only decades ago, Korea was one of the world's poorest nations. Today, it stands among the world's most advanced economies. Driven by unmatched innovation and industry, this is the fastest economic transformation in modern history. The true miracle on the Han River. But Korea is no longer simply a nation. It has become a global cultural phenomenon. The world now comes to Korea. It is the undisputed gateway to Asia, a gateway to innovation, and a gateway to global culture. Every great nation eventually creates a global landmark. Paris, Tokyo, Shanghai, and Singapore all have their iconic destinations. Now, Korea's next chapter is about to begin, and it will change everything. Introducing the GTRH Mega Theme Park and Resort City, an unprecedented $7 billion development featuring luxury resorts, cutting-edge AI attractions, and immersive K-culture zones. GTRH is more than a theme park. It is a global destination. It is Korea's next tourism landmark. Grand opening 2035. Another world-class destination begins here.